What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre, and all I heard is that Mark is talking his ish. He's talking his shit. And I'm all here for it. I love it when people talk their shit. This is Mark, Fraktsiya, featuring Lee Youngji. Love me some Youngji. Love her voice, love her rapping. Love her personality. I would love to go drinking with her, but I don't know if that could just be a dream, though, to be honest. Got this coffee. Damn, them dog. I don't know if you hear in the background the dogs are popping off. Got this banana milk coffee. Taste test, taste test. You know about that banana milk? That shit hit different. Without further ado, be sure to check out my Instagram, my TikTok, link in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. We reacting to like live stages from the mamas. We're also reacting to some variety shows. I got anime. I think the only anime I reacted to was Kaiju number 8. A lot of the like free stuff is like the reactions that get blocked here. I'll just put it there for free. It is free to join. You can also support me by subscribing for $1. But my Patreon, link in the description. I am doing a Twitch live stream today. We'll be playing a scary game, I think. I do be playing games. I do be playing games too. So be sure to check out Dre Gaming on Twitch. All right, without further ado, let's check out Mark in 3, 2, 1. This is the first thing I'm listening to for today. I just woke up. Is that a bullet? Oh, it has the name. Whoa, wait. Sorry. What did it say? First of all, it said the title of the track. Oh, okay. We starting serious. What? Mark Youngji Lee. Okay. Lee Youngji. Is it Youngji Lee or Lee Youngji? It's Lee Youngji, right? I don't know. Okay, never mind. Bullets are raining and you got umbrellas to protect you? Oh. You know, that's not realistic. Damn, what the hell are them shoes? Motocross? Whoa. On the Matrix, Mr. Smith?
Daddy, chill.
Oh, he's stopping the bullets. What? Ooh. Oh? What would you expect, my boy? Fucking punching through metal? Is that a sheet of metal? My boy. Wait, first of all, Mark. Bro, you pop it off like a machine gun. I guess that's where all the bullets come from your mouth. That's a weird statement, Drake.
What?
He popped off in the beginning.
You don't notice?
What?
Now cause I'm parachute, I popped it. 떨어진 pocket bombs are swapping coffins, monsters conscious, and it's all like that. Big bounty man, go ball like that. Territory 19, and you brought it back to function. Why I came in a mosh pit.
Ooh.
Face so glow up, dress up polo. Oh, glass on the bless my job, yeah, where's my rover?
Hey!
Oh, you name my fall. Why they think I'm a robber? I came to chill. They got us plot to cheat.
Wait, oh, that shit kind of crazy. The edit. Damn. Okay. Shout out to the edit. Shout out to the FX team. Shout out to the editing team. They call it Fraktsiya. What is Fraktsiya? Can I search this up for a second? Fraktsiya. Internationalism via Russian, ultimately from Latin fractio, like faction. Oh, inside a political group. Ooh, okay, Mark. Okay, what? Oh.
Soon I made my bike make a wheel swim. Piss off, son, don't play with me, I will swing.
You don't swing?
Always been a mischief. Cooking on waste no time on chit chat. Watch some serious.
What? Why?
Baby, listen, they might lead you on honeymoon out of space. I said, listen, some gotta wait, some listen.
I'm talking this shit. Some gotta wait, some listen.
Honeymoon out of space. I said, listen,
some gotta wait.
Some listen. Phone is buzzing. Yo, G, don't try to shoot.
What?
Name somebody who could juggle 3 teams, still coming with the best solo album at the same time when the rest time with no.
Talk your shit, Mark. What he say? Hold on, look, repeat that. Name somebody who could juggle 3 teams. Period. Name someone.
Somebody who could juggle 3 teams,
still come up with the best solo album. My boy.
With the best solo album at the same time when the rest time with no.
Got me gagged and shit.
Okay.
Back on my rover. Keep up and down. Look at me now. God is my power.
What? Cheese?
You don't know this. Now cause I'm parachute, I popped it.
Woo! Okay,
coffins, monsters conscious, and it's all like that. Big bounce man go ball like that.
Hey, hey. Ooh. Hey, hey, hey. We got the fur coat on. That's a crazy. Oh, it's like a target shot, right? That's in the middle. That he's standing in the middle. Yeah, it's like a sniper. Like what is it called? A crosshair. Crosshair. That's what it is. God damn, the way she just pops off in the rap. It's just her. It's just like her presence, the way she just says shit, just the way that it's just like it's like takes a hold of me. It's like it got me in a chokehold. Like, oh my.
Stop it. Get some help.
Anyways. Hey, she look good. Yeah, yeah. What? What was that? Ooh, this is iconic already. Woo! Hey, don't be, listen, Young G be in her bag too. She be juggling a bunch of shit. Like, your face be juggling shit, but listen, Mark, he be juggling shit. You already know. You know this since debut. It's a long ass ride, and he taking that long ass ride. Now he talking this shit.
You don't know this.
What? Who's this? Is that an oboe? What is that? Hey. Rover. Shout to Kai. You. They talking their ish, bro. Ooh. Whoa. What? Damn. Okay, didn't have to pop off like that. I didn't know they had to. I didn't know they were trying to pop off that like that crazy. When Mark Lee said, "Name somebody who could juggle 3 teams, still come up with the best solo album at the same time with no rest time, no." and he spitting facts like since debut, long ass ride, Mark. To be honest, he need to talk his shit, bro. I love it. Keep on going, bro. You know, I know you stay humble. You let your actions speak more for you. I like that too. But like, there's times where you need to remind people who the F you is, bro. And Young G just killing it. Name somebody who could juggle 3 teams, still come up with the best solo album at the same time with no rest time, back on my rover. Woo! Keep up and down, look at me now. Keep up, wait. God is my power. What? The different tempos that they're doing too. Both ate that, bro. All right, y'all, put a comment down below what you guys think of the music video, the song, the feature, everything about this. What do you think about Mark? What do you think about Young G? Put the comments down below. I want to know. Thank you guys for always liking my videos, supporting me. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I'll be posting a bunch of shorts over there, reels, TikToks, all the way over there. Follow me. I'll be on Twitch later today at 6 p.m. PST. Gonna be playing some scary games. I'm not ready for that. And be sure to check out my Patreon. Be sure. Also, I'm part of a podcast called Ultimate Bias K-Pop Cast. Be sure to check me out over there. Link in the description. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Also, by the way, I do have a lot of videos that I recorded. I just never got to editing it. So if you're waiting on something, it's probably in the works. I do apologize. I am one man editing. It could get tiring. But I do appreciate the patience and support. All right, y'all. Till next time. Peace. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.